Good day, folks. Today I'm going to show you how to use WeTransfer via email. So the first thing you want to go ahead and do is jump into a browser of choice and dial in WeTransfer.com, and you'll get onto this page. On the left hand side now, you can go and click on the plus icon to upload your files. Once you've uploaded your files, you can see over here you can change the title and you can add a message. Now, to get a link, it is absolutely free and you don't have to sign in or log in. But if you want to do this via email, you will have to click on the three dots, and over here you can see you have the option to send email transfer. So once you do that, you will go ahead and you will email this file to the email address that you would like. So you will enter that one in over here, and then you will also enter in your email address. Now once you've done this, you can go ahead and you can just tap on transfer, and what will happen is this link will now be sent to this email address that you've entered in at the top, and that person will be able to open that file via email on their mobile device or on their desktop. If this was helpful, please go ahead, drop us a like. We'll see you next time.